My name is Magdi Elnakoa. I'm an alumni of Kulturakademie 2017. And much like any other young person in Libya right now working in the cultural field and trying to establish their ideas, their projects, and trying to implement their vision to how they see the cultural scene. Like my project Rhythm being a project funded by Goethe-Institut adds to the value that we've gained throughout getting involved with Kulturakademie in 2017. We got personally, professionally, and within our entity itself, the tools and mechanisms and methods that we could use to more establish and develop our entity as a cultural entity performing in Libya, and to actually enrich the cultural scene in Libya with the assistance that we've gained.
Working with the Goethe-Institut during the past 2 years helped us a lot, taking our projects to another level. Goethe-Institut's support was not just by funding our project, they provided us with the knowledge that we need in order to fill the cultural void in Libya. Also, they gave us the opportunity to build a network with the other Libyan cultural activists.